Hello, sir. I have an upcoming job interview, and I am feeling quite nervous about it. Can you guide me on how to prepare for interviews?
Hello, don't worry, I'm here to help. The key to preparing for an interview is thorough research and practice. Start by researching the company you're interviewing with. Understand their values, products, and culture. This will show your interest and preparedness during the interview.
That makes sense, sir. What about preparing for common interview questions?
Great question. Practice common interview questions such as, tell me about yourself, why do you want to work here, and what are your strengths and weaknesses? Prepare concise and relevant answers that highlight your skills and experiences. Practice with a friend or in front of a mirror to build confidence.
How can I make a good impression during the interview?
To make a positive impression, dress professionally, arrive on time, and greet the interviewers with a firm handshake and a smile. Maintain good eye contact and engage actively during the conversation. Showcase your enthusiasm and passion for the role. Remember, first impressions matter.
What should I do if I get stuck on a question during the interview?
If you get stuck on a question, take a moment to gather your thoughts. It's okay to ask for clarification or to take a pause before answering. Focus on providing a thoughtful response based on your experiences and skills. Don't be afraid to admit if you don't know the answer, but show willingness to learn and adapt.
Thank you so much, sir. Your advice is really helpful. I feel more prepared and confident now for my interview.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. Remember to stay calm, be yourself, and showcase your best qualities during the interview. Preparation and confidence will help you qualify for the job successfully. Good luck, and I'm rooting for your success.
Hey, what's going on? I noticed you've been acting a bit off lately. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. I mean, I've just been a bit stressed with school and stuff.
Hesitates, yeah, I have. I'm sorry. I didn't mean for you to find out this way.
Size, I'm not mad, but I'm disappointed. Smoking is not a good habit, especially at your age. Do you realize the risks and consequences it can have on your health?
I know. I just wanted to try it out with my friends. I didn't think it would become a big deal.
It may not seem like a big deal now, but smoking can lead to serious health issues in the future. I care about you, and I don't want to see you harm yourself like that.
I understand, and I am sorry for disappointing you. I'll try to quit and make better choices from now on.
I appreciate you being honest with me. Quitting can be tough, but I'll support you through it. Let's find healthier ways to cope with stress and peer pressure. And if you ever need to talk or seek help, I'm here for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate your understanding and support. I'll do my best to kick this habit and make you proud.
That's all I ask for. Remember, I'm not here to judge you, but to guide you towards making positive decisions for your well-being. You're still young and have a bright future ahead. Let's work together to ensure you stay on the right path.
That's all I want to hear. Let's move forward from this and focus on building a healthier and happier future for you. I believe in you, and I know you have the strength to overcome this challenge. Just know that I'll always be here for you, no matter what.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sonu. Looking tense. I hope everything is alright.
Actually, I have to face an interview next week. I am not sure whether I should wear close-fitting clothes or loose-fitting. I can't consult my friends, because most of them prefer to wear casual old-fashioned outdated and scruffy clothes.
But I have seen some of your friends wearing trendy fashionable eye-catching clothes.
You are right, sir. Do you suggest wearing such clothes for a formal interview?
No, I don't approve of the kind of dressing sense the youth of your generation have. I don't like girls wearing scanty backless or sleeveless see-through dresses.
Sir, please enlighten me as to what kind of clothes I shall wear for the interview.
Dear Sonu, I strongly recommend wearing an elegant, sober, well-tailored, well-ironed V-neck dress for the occasion. If I were you, I would prefer an UN-stripped, sober-looking plain shirt. The kind of reversible polo-necked sweater and unisex jeans you are wearing at present are not at all advisable.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your honest opinion on my dress. I would definitely follow your advice when I go for the interview.
You are welcome, Sonu. Don't forget to inform me of your success in the interview.
Certainly, sir. You will be the first person to get the news of my success. Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.